If you are trying to grow more plants in that, why not lay it on its side?
I think you got something there.
There is more surface area. It's a logical answer.
First, we have to mix up some nutrients for the plants.
Replace the cap. Be careful when cutting the cardboard carton.
Could really go for some Chinese takeout right now.
So could I. Would love some sweet and sour chicken. Make the openings a little larger.
I love the smell of this basil.
Basil is an excellent choice. It roots well in water.
Can't wait to make some pesto.
Beautiful. By the way, my name is Lexi. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Keep on growing. Live to inspire. And, as always, be the change. Much love.